everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. So today I'm just going to some of my Chamel product. I'm trying to work through older product and I have a lot of Chamel. So I found this star paper that I absolutely love and decided to use it on this layout. That is from Field Trip, and the paper itself is from Field Trip, but it's in the paper aisle that you can buy just regular papers at Joann's. I just happen to know this is from Field Trip. Then I'm going to use a border of the red paper from Field Trip, and that is the Far, Far Away paper. So I have my most of my Chamel in an envelope by collection, so it's a little bit easy to keep track of that way. And I really like that red border. So that is a story of my second grandson. On his birthday, he's getting a haircut, and oh my gosh, he looks so tiny in that chair with his little mask on. And we had a big party for him the day before, or big party, grandparents and siblings. So it felt big because there were more of us gathered than we had. Actually, his party the year before was the week before things started to really shut down. So it felt really cool to see everybody, and we were all vaccinated, which was awesome that we could gather together. Anyway, I'm going to ink with my Memento Dewdrop ink and gray flannel there to help kind of bring these papers together, and then go from there. So I'm just gluing these things down, gluing the edges down a little bit. I bordered the photo on that blue Chamel Field Trip paper from the 12 by 12. It's got a little bit of a silver foil in it, and it's rockets, diagrams for rockets, but you really can't tell that when it's bordered. I just wanted the blue. And then I cut a journaling card from the Field Trip 12 by 12 paper. That's all the library cards. Now I have these titles that I really want to get through, these kind of enameled titles, and this is American Crafts Thickers Ingenious, and that's again the Field Trip phrase thickers. So I have to get this inked up as well too. And they're all from the same collection, but I just like the shadow it provides on the edge of the papers. So that's why I'm doing that. So adding that in. So now I have the basics down there, and I really like how that looks. So I need to finish up my title here, and Cool Kid is great, but because it was his birthday, I wanted to somehow mention his age, and I grabbed some LE Studio Puffy Alphabet stickers. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do for my title, but I was thinking about @5, but using an @ sign. They don't have @ signs in this particular collection, so I just decided to write out the word @ and then use the number 5. So yay for using a number from a set of something, because gosh knows I have a ton of those left. I could do a page filled with numbers, which actually would be fun. Grab all the thickers and go. I've seen people do that and then even gesso across it so they all turn white, so you've got just the image, you don't have the color. So that's a cool thing. You can watercolor over it, all sorts of fun stuff. Anyway, so @5, moving those over a little bit. It was a little bit too close, and I did use a comma too, so yay for punctuation. All right, I've just about glued down there, or put down. So this is M number 2 for those of you who know my grandkids. Then I pulled my file with all my Echo Park boy stickers in it. I bought a sticker packet Tuesday morning of 12 by 12 sheets of boy stickers, which is really awesome since I have 4 boys that I scrapbook, a great nephew and 3 grandsons. So the first thing I did was I grabbed that A Moment Captured, which is that piece right there. That is from Echo Park, A Boy's Life Element stickers. And then the Controlled Chaos on the top left is from that as well. And then also the date sticker is too. So I just grabbed some things that I thought would work really well. Then I found that Wow piece. That's from Echo Park Imagine That Element stickers. And I kind of like how that looks. Wow, he's sitting there. Wow, he's 5, and wow, he's sitting there so calm. And then I decided I wanted to pop this up a little bit. And I have beautiful fingernails, but I cut myself badly with a knife, which is why you're seeing my band-aid on my index finger in the left hand. Not good when you're a massage therapist. So then I have that camera there. That is from the Imagine That stickers as well. And then I like that, lots of ums here. Sorry, guys. That green polka dot arrows from the Imagine That stickers as well. So I was just kind of going through each of the sheets and seeing what I might be able to put on here. Now, I'm thinking I want things at the top and bottom as well. And cameras would be great. So I found this aqua camera from the Photoploid Boys Rule Element stickers. I've now just kind of, if I don't have that many pieces left, I just put all those stickers in one spot. So I like how that looks. All right, and just, going through the sticker sheets there. They're a little bit off to my left, but trying to find what works. Just using things up as I can. I'm looking for another camera, possibly an arrow, and I find that aqua colored arrow that is from That's My Boy Element stickers from Echo Park. So lots of arrows, that boy stuff. Not that I have to use boy stuff here, but from boy sheets, and these really aren't really all that boyish, although Controlled Chaos pretty much describes the household. I tease my stepson and daughter-in-law about that all the time. All right, so I want something bright and themed on the stars, so I went to my Echo Park Puffy Star stickers. And I'm just kind of looking for a sheet that has stars, the colors that would work in here. And I want to scatter some colors around here. And I can see I'm looking at my actual layout as well. And I realize that one of the stickers has fallen off. I have no idea where it is, but I'll have to put something else on. So I'm just using the reds and the yellows there. And I have a green on there too, actually, now that I look at it. So that's the star that fell off. The bottom cluster, that green star there at the bottom fell off. All right, so just adding those in to get a little bit of a different texture to the layout. Emphasize the star theme. And I have 2 sheets of these, so I have plenty to use. All right, getting those down. Could have used enamel dots here, but I like the fact that it's stars to emphasize the stars in the back of the paper. And it feels young and energetic like he is. All right, guys. So the layout is actually really finished. So coming up is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.